How to get Monopoly Go reward code. This tutorial will guide you through the process of redeeming reward codes in Monopoly Go to get free dice and money. By following these steps, you can enhance your gameplay and enjoy additional resources without spending real money. I'm going to record this on the PC since my phone does not let me record from the web browser, because you need the web browser to do this tutorial. Even though we use a different device, the steps are the same, so you don't have to worry about it. You just have to watch the video until the end so that you can follow my tutorials. So let's get started. So first, open any web browser you want to use, like, for example, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or any web browsers that are available on your phone. After you open any web browser, click the search bar and type Monopoly Go Redeem. As you can see, mine is already searched Monopoly Go Redeem. After that, click or tap the link for reward codes on the Monopoly Go website. Now that you enter the link of redeem codes for Monopoly Go, make sure that your account is logged in, because it will direct it to your account. If your account is logged in, enter the code. After you enter the code, click or tap the Go button to claim your rewards. By following these steps, you can easily redeem reward codes in Monopoly Go for additional resources like free dice and money. Remember to stay updated on new codes and enjoy your enhanced gameplay experience. If you encounter issues, consider checking forums or the game support for troubleshooting. Happy gaming!